My client, Joel Kaplan, generated over $1 million from a single YouTube video. And this was the video. So what was this YouTube video? This video is a simple announcement video for a free course. So we have a free course. It is an announcement video for the free course. That's why it's just a 4-minute video. First, we just introduced, hey, made a free course. So free course. Second, in that video, we told them what they will learn. And then third, we told them what that will allow them to do. And then fourth, we gave them a CTA to go and click on this landing page. So this is the landing page that we sent them to. So we start off with a simple headline, free course, how to start and scale your SMA from 0 to 7 figures, mastering the art of prospecting, closing, delivering results for clients in any niche. Then we have the just telling them get what they're going to get. Then what we have is our qualifying form. So this is extremely important. Enter your info below for immediate access. Now, what this is a lead magnet, right? So all this is a lead magnet, which essentially just allows us to collect emails and get phone numbers. And we need to figure out who's qualified and who's not so that we can set people into calls. And by the way, with this funnel, we were doing at one point over 100 booked calls per day, which is absolutely ridiculous. That wasn't every day, but we did that one day, which was insane. And on average, I'd say it'd be about 50 booked calls a day, which is still really, really good. And if you want to make more money from your YouTube channel and get high ticket clients, then this is a very good funnel to follow. So you start off with the qualification. Do they own a marketing agency? Yes. If they say no, then there's no point in them filling it out, right? So that is number one. However, then we have the rest of the qualifications. So do you own a marketing agency? Yes, I do. Then what stage are you in your agency growth? Now, this is an important question because we want to figure out how much money they actually have, right? So if they're just getting started right here, that's probably unqualified. Then these next questions will figure out what program we actually sell them into, our mid ticket or the high ticket. So figuring things out, these are going to go to a mid ticket, and then the scaling is going to go to high ticket. Then we just collect their basic information. So first name, then we collect their email address, then we collect their phone number, and then we collect their country that they're in. So USA. From there, the funnel goes to this page. Congratulations, click here to create your login for the course. So we give them the lead magnet, obviously. And then what we do is we send them to a calendar. So if you want to accelerate your SMA's growth, get 5 clients guaranteed, then schedule on the calendar below. So here we have our actual calendar where they can book a call. And that is where we were getting a ton of book calls because we just had tons and tons of people go through this. That video had 266,000 views, right? So good amount of conversion on that. Probably over 200,000 people went through this free course, which is ridiculous. And by the way, when we collected emails for people who put that they were qualified, put that they had over $5,000, we could just call them. We could have a setter call them, set them into a call. And then even if they don't book a call, we can still contact them. That's why that is so important. Then after that page, what we do is we actually take it a step farther. So what this is all of our other videos. So these videos right here are just reach videos. And then we're funneling back to this video that is our conversion video. Now, this is how the entire funnel works, right? So we're pointing all of this content back to this free course video. So that's why it has so many views, because every single time that we post a video, we're sending more and more people back to this conversion video where now people go through that, we get their email, we get their phone number, we book them into a call, and we close them on a high ticket service. We have built this funnel out for so many clients now, and it works almost every time. It is just an absolutely killer funnel that gets a ton of organic clients from YouTube. So if you want us to build it inside your business, just click the link in the description, book a call with our team, and we'll see if it's a good fit. And if you want an even more in-depth video about how this funnel works, then click right here. Thanks and have a good one.